Today, I will show you the one-to-one replica of Lawrence sofa. Let you see what is the real original craftsmanship. Now, let me analyze every detail of the Lawrence. Let's start with the leather. What you see on the market. That is hyped up on the market, saying it's full leather. It is a whole piece of top layer cowhide from bottom to back. And claim it's full grain leather. It's impossible. Why? Although its leather embryo grade is high, it doesn't mean it's flawless. We must go through screening. A full grain cowhide of an adult. It can only be 3.5 meters long, unless you tear it apart to avoid all the flaws. So out of 10 full grain leather, at most, only one can be used for this. Who told you that Lawrence is made of whole leather? Or full grain leather, it can't be full grain. Second, the sewing process, the dot, line, and surface are always every detail of Lawrence, including all the key points of minoxidil series. Even a single thread is very important to the original. We use American imported bond thread, no matter how you pull.
You won't feel it's loose.
It has no toughness.
But all the polyfor thread on the market
will extend. It has density and tension. After long-term extrusion, the thread will loosen, including each pull point with a depth of 1.5. It's a one-to-one height reduction. All the details. The whole backrest is covered with velvet. And open the zipper in the middle, which is supported by the shaped cotton. All the craftsmanship details are the same. Then we disassemble all its structures. We follow the original 101 process using mortise and tenon and nail gun. We made the entire solid wood frame of mahogany. The backrest and the density of each layer of the filled sponge are all one-to-one, highly restored. A sofa can't use a layer of sponge to get the sitting feeling you want. You need a 3-layer rebound from the load-bearing layer, supporting layer, to the entire buffer, comfort layer, to the top surface layer are very important. We replicated it one-to-one. The hardest and most difficult hardware inside, even a screw or a buckle. We have completely replicated them. The bottom is made of a solid 3-piece steel frame, plus stainless steel. Whether it's the arc, the craftsmanship, and even the welding process requirements are very, very high. Take a look yourself. There are no flaws in these details. You'll find that every set of sofa of Milo are embedded with screws, are embedded one by one. And its backrest and armrests, all the processes on the market are directly attached to or pressed directly onto the entire bottom of the sofa. But the original one is like this. We have independently molded this part. Has the same back support as the original. This support shaft, it runs through the entire backrest, fixing the entire backrest and providing cushion. This is the real version. The original Lawrence, there will be a solid aluminum gasket underneath to hold the card on the entire hardware frame. In addition, our buckle has been upgraded compared to the original. Made of OBS. The original one is very soft, but it's not enough for support. So we upgraded to upper point material, which is more solid and stable, ensuring that it will not deform for 10 years. The whole armrest. This armrest weighs nearly 30 caddies. Inside this solid wood, there is a solid steel plate, and then we'll stick cotton on the outside. Whether it's the thickness or the weight or all the details and craftsmanship below is made by Lawrence one-to-one. It took us several months to make it for you. The real original Lawrence sofa with one-to-one ratio. And we have reduced the price. If you like it, leave a comment.